So today is my birthday, and as a birthday present to me, the boys let me come on a solo hiking trip to hike Vernal Falls. So I wanted to take you guys along with me. Let's go. It's pretty steep. Woo! We're feeling good though. Oh man, you guys, check this view out. It's all uphill, but you know what guys, we're here for this. We're getting our cardiovascular system working. We're excited. It's beautiful out. It's a great day to be alive. We're doing it, guys. There's actually a downhill part. So I'm gonna catch my breath, take it slow, keep on trekking. So there's a nice little place here where you can refill your water, and there's also bathrooms there. So refilled my water, took my sweater off because I'm actually getting a little bit warm now, and we're gonna continue the rest of the way up. Almost there. 0.3 miles left to go. Heading up the stairs. Look at this view. Mist trail. I don't know if you guys can see all the mist in the video, but I'm getting misted. Blown away. This spot gives me such an amazing view. I still have some more steps to go to get to the end of the trail, but it's worth just sitting here in the awe of all of this right now. to the top of Vernal Falls. I got another birthday present. There is a gorgeous rainbow right over Vernal Falls. Alright guys, it has been absolutely stunning, and now we are going to start making the journey back down. At this point, you could continue going and make it to the top of Nevada Falls, but I have just not prepared to be out hiking that long. So as far as like water, I just haven't packed in enough to continue doing that. Getting to the top of Nevada Falls is about like 5 to 6 hours to complete. And this one, Vernal Falls, is about 2.5 hours. But I'm gonna be heading back down the stairs here. Okay, way more nerve-wracking going down than going up, that's for sure. Seriously, this is my favorite part of the whole trail, is right here. I think I started this at the perfect time, because right as I started the descent, so many more hikers were coming up than when I was first starting. There was maybe only like a couple other people on the trail with me that were just a little bit ahead, and I started the trail at about 7:05, and I probably would have preferred to start it just a little bit earlier, but I think it was perfect timing, because once I said I wanted to start descending down, it started getting kind of busy. We hiked Vernal Falls, and I am just getting back to my car. So I took the Fen Trail over to the Mist Trail. I parked at Curry Village and took the Fen Trail over to the bridge by the Happy Isles Nature Center, and then that led me and connected me right to the Mist Trail. I cannot believe how packed this parking lot is. It was empty when I got here this morning. I think I totally nailed perfect timing on this without even trying, you guys. We're here, we made it! Ah!